Oh, here's my longer version of this little spare tire change. This is a hand truck that, made in USA. I think I've replaced the wheels already once on it. It's got a tubed tire in it. It went flat. I aired it up and it went down in the same hour. So it's not any good. I gotta get into it and see if I can patch it up at some point. But I have a spare tire, and I noticed that, well, it filled up with water. So the bearing got tight. Thing about hand trucks are, unless you're using them all day long, they really don't need a whole lot of oil. They're not going to ever get hot, but they do need to be lubricated somewhat. So I sprayed, in my short version, I already sprayed some right around here around the race and the inner bearing, and I tapped on the side of it like this, make it penetrate. That's Kroil, by the way. Pretty expensive stuff, but I've been real happy with the way it gets the job done quick. So I'm just hitting that hub there, get it down to penetrate there. And just put something in there that's the same size and get it back and forth. You want to see a rotation all the way around. Here we go, there's something. Okay, yep, it's freed up. Now I'll probably put some 3-in-1 or something like that in the future. That bearing passes all the way through. It's not two different bearings, it's one bearing in there. Yeah, it's rotating, it's just not really. It had some water for sure. There it goes. It's doing it with my fingers, so it's pretty good. Now, just a cotter pin set up here on these little wheels. Got a pair of little dude there. Washer. Alrighty. That one rusted onto it. Let's go. And a washer. And if I can find my cotter pin with all this commotion here. Twist. Ready to go. How about that? That's not as fast as the guy that changed the tire in the Christmas Story. The one that says you can't have a BB gun, you just shoot your eye out. But that's pretty fast for changing a tire. Thanks for watching. Hope you look out some other stuff.